What is up, everyone? We're back with another video today. Today I'm just going to be backtesting because I blew my account, and now this is going to be a new YouTube series. So I'm backtesting every day until I'm profitable. So over here what we're dealing with is an SM2. So I'm backtesting previous data. So this is February 2025. It's currently Feb 26. So I'm just going to test until now, I guess. Yeah. But yeah, here. So NQ took this high. ES didn't. New week opening gap filled. S&T. I can target these lows on the hourly, but I don't think price would go this low. Within the session, we're gonna see. Right now I'm just trying to build. I'm just trying to do what I know and slowly build a model with discretionary. I have no idea how that's gonna work, but honestly, like I've been trying to figure out a model, but like I think I just need to get started quickly, do what I know, and then as time goes, I'm gonna figure something out. And by figure something out, I do mean okay. No, other way. I do need to do a little bit more studying, but right now I'm just gonna backtest, see what I can do to get discretionary wise. So targets would want to be this low. We're right here. Previous day high and low both have been swept. I feel like a little bearish on every other time frame, so I would say I would be targeting bearish. See a low right here, yeah. We are consolidating within this range. We broke consolidation. Accumulation, we manipulate to the upside. I'm just putting everything I know so far, so let's say this is the manipulation leg within the thing. If this is the manipulation leg, then I use my standard deviation, and I can target. But price could potentially come down here. This is a tool that uses me to help understand better, but let's just see how it goes. Enough time. E-mini. Oh, I want to do I should be trading micro, but why is that the 5-minute candle? This shit's tripping. 25. Don't worry about that. We're gonna stick to this though. Anyways, we have all my targets set. I would want to put my stop loss above this high and short position and draw off like this. Let me do something quick. Let's just say I'll answer here. 48-point stop loss, and then I'd say I drag this here. We can do 3 cons. Target AM previous day AM low. Is that? Oh no, it's previous week. What is this? Wednesday. Weekly lows. Okay. Here. I'd have a take profit set here, and then the final right here between the 4. So here is a 1 to 6 RR. I've been trying to target more RR. I used to scalp a lot, but I don't like scalping. What the fuck? Oh my god. That was really stupid of me. I did not check the time. I didn't check anything. Because what the fuck was that? Alright. That was... Okay. So I usually trade New York session. So what am I going to want to do? I'm going to skip to New York. 30 minutes. I can make this faster. London. Alright. What time is it here? So pre-market, what can we anticipate? We have London lows, unswept, and we have unswept Asia lows as well. Could be bearish. We have not tapped into anything, so we're going to wait for market open. I'm not giving any advice. This is just me talking to myself, trying to understand better. I'm only making these videos, so I have to do what I have to do. Okay. That's not. Take a small trade, just targeting London lows. I think that would be really safe as well. I want to see a rejection within this range because I've seen a lot of rejection here. 5 minute is probably a higher time frame value gap as well. Yeah, we're talking into the OTE of this range. So I said this before, but yeah, literally of this range back in this previous range. So let's see. So 3 here, and I would like to have it's on the hourly though. Bad entry or no? Let's just see how it plays. Oh nah. Oh nah. Oh no. I would have had my stop loss above here. No, I would not. I would never risk 400 ticks. Holy shit. That's not. We're just gonna exit because that's just nothing we would take. Entering PM session. I don't know why we're on the 15-minute time frame. It's supposed to be for my buys. Alright, let's see. We have a tap in here. We did have closure within this 3 minute. This is a balanced price. I back tested this before, but I don't remember anything. Just get rid of these drawings. You know what? Yeah, no, that's gone. Need stronger targets. Midnight open, for example, daily open. Midnight open would be here. This is that 12 a.m. open candle. as a target. 10 a.m. opening could be a target. In a position like this, I mean, clearly. Could see a sweep of this and keep going. Let's see what he thinks. We do have an S&T. Don't know why I'm taking so long to mark this out, it doesn't fucking matter. Anyways, sub that. I mean, we could see a continuation to the downside. 10 a.m. open is right here. Let's put it there. And yeah. Into the 15-minute. We see a sweep of internal liquidity though. External. Enter. Don't care about the tick value. Take profit. You can target this. Actually, no, I'm gonna set it at midnight open. And then I'm gonna have, okay, stop loss. I would stop. If we break past this high, where are you about this high? Say confirm around the 15-minute. I mean, inverse for value gap, or not a curve, inverse for value gap, but we inverse not. Sorry guys, I don't know what I'm saying. I'm just trying to get good at this, but here and here. Okay. See how this. This is not even my trading time. This is okay. We had one take profit. So 10 a.m. open. Good target. At a point like this, I don't want to bring my stop loss to break even. I could potentially just get stopped out. No, this wouldn't be realistic because we made it through 2 different sessions, but at the point we're just looking to see what targets are working for me, what works best with me, what I like. Because take profit is down here. And I need to understand what was good about this trade. S&T at the highs. A bearish S&T, so we're signaling going lower. Like, okay. This would be a more higher time frame play, to be honest. Look at that, how long it's taking. We're going right up in the midnight now. Straight into London session. Second take profit hit. So this would be a risk-free trade with profit taken, this is what we dream for. This is what we pray for. Trades like this, but bang, take profit was hit on this trade. It's a good trade. Okay, midnight open. So guys, previous day midnight open, swept, and then right at 9:30, we sweep London highs. ES doesn't sweep London highs. It is 9:30 though. Let's see. Yeah. But technically, this is what I want to trade the session. So, New York AM. This will go. Okay. Let me just mark on my confluences quickly. Oh man. Okay, we have previous day high, previous day low as potential targets, but those are really far away. Low resistance liquidity run here. We did catch the move. We caught the low LLR move. Let's just keep playing, see what goes on. We have accumulation. This could be a potential PO3 model, but does look fairly bullish. One thing I've noticed about New York and 9:30 market manipulation, but clearly that ain't it. Where's fucking 10 a.m.? 10 a.m. low right here. 10 a.m. open. Could target this baby. Alright, that's 10 a.m. open right there. New York lunch. So we are fairly bearish. Inverse fair value gap inside this fair value gap. I want to target lows. Which lows? Not sure. We set pre-market lows right here. These could be potential. What time is this? 9 a.m. Targeting here. Stop loss couldn't be above right here. So if I were to break this out, so this would be a pretty low risk trade. About where would I want to target here? About a 1 to 5 RR or 1.55 R. You guys see it, but oh no, it says 1 to 2.96, so 1 to 3. I'm sorry. Anyways. Let's find OT. No money. Oh, I almost did it the wrong way. Of this range, we are in a discount. What? Oh shit. Inverse, tap into. Okay, let's just see. Let's wait. What time is it? 12:30. And let's wait another hour, not hour, but. Okay, I want my entry here. Oh my god. What the fuck? Alright, so now see you guys, that was not a good trade. That was not some bullshit, honestly. I mean, S&T once again, you know what I mean? Like, over here we have alright, so we have a accept AM highs on ES, not on NQ. What can we anticipate? I would say this, I got stopped out here. I'd give it another shot, I can't lie. I'm not going to sit back here. Okay, no, not 3 cons. 1 doesn't matter. Stop loss at these highs. Near PM. Take profit at lunch close. Around a 1 to 3. I would say my previous take profit. I say size up. Alright, we got stopped out. So at this point in time, I would call it a good. So आप नहीं गए उसको?
मैं चिकन रेडी करती हूँ.
Okay.
अभी है 10:50.
Okay, ठीक है. What? How did he get back in this trade? Oh, I had another sell limit. I see. Yeah, no, we're gonna exit this. Alright, boys, I'll be right back. I want to get another enter. Alright, guys, we are back. Continuing from where we left off. So, let's see, we got stopped out. Anyways, what is it? PM session time being. Yeah, no, it's Asia open now. Pre-market. Pause. Right at 9:30. Okay, this looks like we had some news. Yeah, it does look like a news candle. I mean, we can target that data highs. There's data lows now. Let's mark those out so we know. Data high, data low. And on the one. Let's go on the daily quickly and mark out. Your previous day high, your previous day low right here. We'll set that over here. So this is today's price action, or the day we're testing. 9 a.m. Very cooked. I mean, we swept that previous. I mean, we didn't sweep anything, to be honest here. Alright, let's get back to this. So currently, it's about 9:45 on there. Alright, let's see what we can target. We have midnight open around this range. Right there. Midnight open. Can target there. Can target this hole. Can target these highs. Entry. Let's break down. Yeah, it was a really good uptrend. Swept that. What time did this happen? This was pre-market. We're gonna be wanting to aim higher. Really super 1-to-1. Let's see. I just want to see how this plays out. Okay. So, too early of an entry. We'll take that as a lesson. Inverse for value gap within this range. At a point like this, I should have done this a little while ago, but we entered here, price came back here, filled in here. I want to move stop loss to around really break even, to be honest. Just note that down. So this is now a risk-free trade. Do your PM session. We had that internal SMT. We swept New York lunch lows. Oh, let me go back here. Yeah, we swept that. So New York lunch lows, so we could anticipate for reversal. I'm gonna be moving my stop loss. I did not get swept on my thing. We're gonna be. What's going on? Where did my trade go? The fuck? It doesn't matter. A very long trade. This was like a full day swing. Market's closed, so we would have closed this position by this time. This is a full day swing. This is a type of trade I like taking. More swing trading, honestly, but I could anticipate some shorts, a little resistance liquidity run. We could also aim for right back for data lows as well as a. Actually, I lied. I mean, look, we touched midnight open. We're back. Just fuck with the model market. Alright, let's just go see how this plays out though. Okay, bang, TP hit. Doing anticipated. Not my session, so I'm not going to be looking to take any trades. I used to be like, if I see value, I'm going to take it, but nah. Maybe in the future, but right now, just stick to one session. Let me just hop on the fucking 15. Oh, where's 9:30? Here we got a way to go still. Alright, 8:45. What can we see? Let's see what's going on. Okay, we're coming in pre-market. We're sweeping London. Yeah, that is London session high. We have previous Asia highs. I could be anticipating for a sweep of these highs, and then we could target it. Midnight opens up here. Let's just see how this plays out. Okay, as I said, I want to sweep. This could be potential. Oh yeah, it's an SMT, dude. So we have an SMT pushing to the downside. Looking at the OT of this range, per se, we did something like this, we would be in the golden zone. I'm not sure if I'm pulling OT correctly, but I'm hoping so. So I could have a couple cells here. So, okay. What the fuck am I doing? Okay, we're clearly in. Stop loss was at this high, so I mean, we technically got stopped out, but let's just keep it there for. No, we're not gonna keep it there. Okay, close position. Well, I mean, we're breaking higher. Let's see why. Equal high sitting up here. We could potentially see a reversal off these, off this range, like this, like range or something. And then we just have extra. That is just a draw liquidity. We could sweep and potentially just. We've been consolidating within this price range for a while, though. That 22 area. Going on the hourly, this is. I think we could just continue seeing bigger of these. I mean, we're fairly bullish. We're not too far from sweeping this either, so let's see how that plays out. That's nowhere near there. I mean, SMT. I want to see a sweep of that high and then continue for a reverse. Looking for a reversal, maybe. I mean, yeah, we inverse fair value gap within there. This has gotta be Asia chop, bro. What the fuck? I think it'll go higher, honestly speaking. We'll see how it goes. Okay. It is currently 8:55, same thing. The 3 year. What did I do? Hold on. We're good. I mean, going into this, we swept Asia lows, Asia highs have been swept, we have London all the highs, we didn't. That's really so much. This does look like a market maker buy model. I can't lie. It does look like a buy model, MMXN. If I were to, this is like pre-market entry and like sweep of that. If I would not. How much would I risk on this? I'd say it'd be a break of structure if it would close below this low. This is straight up regular 1-to-1. Let's see how this were to play out. QP, we're targeting 228 ticks. 200 tick stop loss. Confirm. And let's see how it plays out. Wow. A friend told me this. Always set at the body and not the actual wick. You know? But let's just we'll fucking take profit. Let's discard everything, let's just keep seeing what's going on. We want to sweep. I didn't see any sweeps yet. Oh! Okay. 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 Now see, I wouldn't have to go through this if I just did it. Okay. Not complaining. Anyways, let me note this down. Market maker buy model. Nice. Alright, let's continue. New York EM. Let's say this was a day. I took my trade, called it a day. Dang! But it's good that we had her take profit at the sweep. Anyways, let's see the rest of the. Oh my god. I thought I pressed this wrong one. Why is price coming back here? It seems like, look. Price went into here, swept this low, came back, created an equal low here. Don't even know what that means. Okay. Bro, we were off for the day. We're not looking at this. We're not worrying about this. We took that beautiful trade. Bang. I really like the buy models. You can never go wrong with the buy model. Even there's so many, even on the higher time frames. This kind of looks like one, but this was a nice buy model. It was more of a smaller time frame one. Just market maker structure model. Anyway. Excuse me.
Hello?
Yo, what do you say? Yo, I'm DW Broski.
I'm eating right now, bro.
Alright, yo, are we still going?
Mm-hmm.
What time?
Soon.
Like how soon, bro? You need to like give me a time, bro. You're always like soon, and then you pull up like an hour and a half later on some nigger shit.
Be an hour and a half later, bro. Like I'm ready. I'm just eating, bro. I'm eating my cactus club and.
Yo, see that? What do you got, bro?
I have a blackened chicken creole.
Yo, hold on. Let me get some.
Hell no, nigga.
Man said hell no, bro. What the fuck?
Okay, I'm gonna leave in like.
What? 45 fucking minutes?
No, 15 minutes. I'll be at your house in like 10 minutes after 2:15.
Alright, say that.
Okay, bye.
Alright, bye. I'm going to the gym again today, boys. I just want to go to the gym. I'm a vape guy, bro. Okay, London. London session has some good price action, but I'm not waking up for that shit. Why the fuck is it? What's going on? Why are we moving so fast, bro? On some shit, bro. Right, nah, this is okay what we want, no? Yo, I actually need a new vape. I mean, could talk. This is not even my session. What am I doing? If I see some value, I'm gonna take that though. Holy lady. Bang. Oh, stop. What the fuck? Yo, nah, that's some bullshit. I'm closing my eyes. No, I already seen what happened, bro. What the fuck? What the fuck? Alright, let's see what happened though. We swept these internal lows. Let me go on them. No. It don't look like we swept shit. It look like we wanna. No. I mean, it could be a higher high, higher low situation. Fucking TGR, bro. Fuck. Alright, on the 1 minute. Holy doubles, Mark. I mean, we have hella liquidity on the downside, but like, I think. What time is it? It's near lunch hour. I could see a potential. Alright? Like, we could be wanna come into OTE. So let's see this range. We are in a premium right now if we're gonna wanna get into some buys so we can sweep London highs. I personally, if this would, it's already PM session, so if this was earlier, I would want to necessarily hold a longer position, but since it's not, I would, okay, let's see how this plays out. We'll put one here. I usually want to go for higher RR, but this is just a regular. And this is, let's see what it is. It says where I initially want to enter. I'm going to target right here. Fucking, why is this shit open? And our stock is right here. Alright, let's see how this goes. Alright, so we missed our entry. We touched that exact. Okay, wait, where's the top of this? Very precise. Oh, yeah. Okay, not looking the best. We could have had our entry lower. One thing I don't like doing, bro, I'm scared of missing my entries, and that's a really big problem. Now, for say if I were to set it in that 0.78 zone, higher RR, better entry, better risk. So for my next trade, that I'll be testing right now. Oh, what the fuck? We're already in Asia high. Okay, no. We're technically kind of missed out on all of it. Trade was not bad. Personally, I could see a buy model forming right here. Move, take profit lower. Actually, no. We're not going to take profit lower. Because there's a reason I put in this trade, and there's a reason I have to take profit there. What we can do to move our stop loss a little higher, we'll put stop over here. Because if I see price comes back down here, I'd want to let's put it below here, below this fair value gap. If price does want to come back into this, I would say let's keep it there. Let's see how this goes. And this is Asia session though, so I'm not really expecting anything crazy. Me, bumblebee, I know what you want to be. Baby, bumblebee, I know what you want from me. Alright, bang. What a fucking exit. I mean, like, still would have hit it, but like, that was a nice wick out, wick in, wick out. Alright, beautiful. I don't think this would even be possible. You can't hold positions from throughout the day. If I were to enter this during Asia pre-market though, I would have probably gotten it. It would have been a good entry. This Asia session was pretty good. I see a lot of consolidation within the Asian markets, but looking pretty good. Let's cancel the sell, and let's move into, let's see how much that was. Not bad. What does this mean? 462 bands. Chill. Okay. Yeah, let's keep going. I think I'm starting to just be testing this buy model now. It's looking pretty good to be on. Holy shit. What's going on here? There's gotta be some fucking like European news or something, bro, cause what the fuck? Did like Saddam Hussein drop some red folder news, bro? What the fuck was that? Alright, London. Okay, so we had some pretty crazy price action overnight. So where's midnight? Let's mark out midnight open. Guys, backtesting and live markets are a whole different game, bro. That's one thing. I'm doing this just cause I think I need to do this. I need to understand the model, figure out what works with me, and just build discretionary, honestly. That's why I'm doing recent data too, so like the previous year. What time is it right now? It's 4. We don't care about what goes on here right now. Alright, we've made it to New York pre-market. So honestly, we have a lot of liquidity lying down here. Let's go on the higher time frame. I mean, we have liquidity lying here. We have Asia lows. London lows have been swept. And well, we have previous day lows as well. Previous day high has also been swept. So it could be, I don't know, let's see what happens. Wait for market open. We want to get into a good trade and a good entry. So let's find the OTE of, per se, this range. Wrong again. If I were to target those lows, I'd want to enter somewhere here. Stop loss a little above London highs. Buy one. And I'd really just honestly aim for a really, I'd say Asia lows is being. This is about a 1 to, this looks like a 1 to 4, maybe 1 to 5. Let's see. This is a 1. We don't do that. So we got about 1 to 3.5. Let's see how this plays out. Alright. Oh, wait a second. That was stupid. 9:30. Wait, what the fuck? I was gonna say, that was really stupid because then 9:30 market manipulation. I did not want to get hit by that, but it's now 9:15. Anyways. Sniper entry. Wow. What a trade. What a fucking trade. Why we took this trade? We have lying liquidity below us on a lot of it. Been unswept. Yes. I didn't know this before, so I can't say anything. But yeah, at here there was a SMT. SMT at the highs. Reversal for bearish. This is bearish confirmation. We go back on NQ. Fucking SMT. Alright, this was a nice trade. And now it's New York AM, and this I'd be out. If I see value during during pre-market, I might have to take it, because wow, that was nice. Anyways, what can we anticipate right now? Per se, I woke up late and I wasn't able to take that trade. Bang. Right on the wick. Beautiful trade. Alright, let's see. Yeah, we clearly swept. Okay, now we have ES has swept previous day AM lows. So like, yeah, previous day lows. NQ has yet to sweep those lows. Unless onto it again. I'm tripping. Yeah, no, they haven't swept them lows. So what I could also anticipate here now is another reversal. Reversal after reversal. Low-key bang. But let's just see how the price lost. It's only 942. Okay. We both swept that inverse fair value gap. Okay, we have an inverse fair value gap here. We broke through it. Do we want to go lower? 24 hour, see what's going on. Higher time frame bias is something I've been working on. So here we have a small fair value gap on the 4 hour. Right. We tapped into it. We have most of these lows. Jeez. A lot of underlying liquidity down here as well. So we swept, nothing. But we can't anticipate a reversal on every single time I see price going down. So we can target much smaller, much size up, and target small, not size up. It doesn't matter about size right now. It's mattering about how I take my trades and what really dictates me from other traders. So, anyways, we had a sweep of this previous PM low. Yeah, this might have just been. Not even. This is like previous, a couple lows ago still, a couple days ago. So That's right back here. I could, honestly, this would be another potential trade I could take. I would target, I mean, we'd already swept those highs. I can target the top of this. Or even, let's just say, right, we'll tap here. Confirm. Watch us get stocked up. Oh, yeah. So that's why we take one trade a day. We're going to put that in there as well. Long. Alright, got stocked out. Alright guys, I've been gone for like 10 minutes now, but I'm gonna close this one out for now. I'll be back. They're just taking shifts, I'm putting them all together. This is today's back testing. And yeah, edit whatever the fuck I was not here for, but I'll be back in a bit.